Are you tired of using that worthless blender to blend up all your fruits and...
This sucks!
Well, waste no more time. Now with the new microwave, you don't need to worry about that stupid blender. I'll just put your item into the microwave and wait
Wow!
wait about like 20 minutes or something, and it magically cooks. Voila, it's done!
Woo! Delicious!
Here are some of our satisfied customers.
This was horrible. Elmo disapproves.
You'll see, this is pretty much the best product in the world. Call in the next 2 seconds and you get it free. Too late.